Craving something soft, moist, and perfectly balanced, but don't want to deal with the oven? This yogurt mug cake is tender, slightly tangy, and ready in just a minute. Perfect for when you want a cozy homemade dessert in no time. The best part? You only need a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. It's that simple, and it turns out so good, you'll want to make it again tomorrow. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives your cake its soft, tender base. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to help it rise and become airy. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Give everything a good mix so the dry ingredients are evenly combined. That way your cake cooks evenly and doesn't turn dense at the bottom. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. Add 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt. This replaces eggs and gives your cake that soft, moist texture with a light tang. Pour in 1 tablespoon of milk to loosen the batter just a bit. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. And finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that warm, bakery-style aroma. Stir it all together until smooth and lump-free. Make sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the mug so every bit of flour mixes in. Now pop your mug into the microwave and cook on medium-high power for about 1 minute. While the cake cools, let's make a quick frosting. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of milk, and just a tiny pinch of cinnamon powder for a hint of warmth and spice. Mix it well until smooth and glossy. It should have a pourable, creamy consistency. Drizzle or spread this frosting over your cooled mug cake, then top it with a swirl of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon powder. It looks and tastes like a bakery dessert made right in your microwave. And there you go, a soft, tangy sweet yogurt mug cake that's cozy, comforting, and ready in just minutes. Perfect for a quick treat after dinner or a sweet break in the middle of your day. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.